Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and here scroll down to the display section. Now just go to the advanced options, and here you get the wallpaper section, tap there, and as can you see, you can choose your new wallpaper from the live wallpapers, from your photos on your device, or from the default wallpapers. And you can choose one from these folders. For example, we'll go with the seascapes, and just you can select one from these wallpapers. For example, we'll go in with this one. And now, as can you see, we can change the home screen or lock screen. We need to change the lock screen, and now you can just change the position on your wallpaper like you want. For example, I'll make like this and tap to OK, and we want to set a wallpaper on our lock screen. Just tap there, and we got here the message that our wallpaper set successfully on our screen, and as can you see, it's really done. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.